Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Content Simplified. Today we look into a fact that is important for Prelims 2024, Performance Grading Index for Districts, PGI 2.0. This is PGI is for assessing the performance of school education system at the district level. So the data is collected from various sources, including UDC Plus, Unified District Information System for Education Plus, and NAS, that is National Achievement Survey. Data is also collected from various district school administration sources. Now coming to the grading, the report has 10 grades under which districts are categorized. The highest grade is Daksh, which is above 90%. The next grade is Utkarsh, which is 81 to 90%. Next is Adi Uttam, that is 71% to 80%. Then comes Uttam, that is 61% to 70%. Then Pracheshta 1, Pracheshta 2, Pracheshta 3. Then Akanchi 1, 2, 3. Akanchi 3 is the lowest, that is less than 10%. Now let's look at the data that is published in PGI. Here we can see none of the states have scored highest, whereas two states, that is Chandigarh and Punjab, had scored a range of 641 to 700. So here we will see Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh ne karyam nammal eduthu parayanam because Andhra Pradesh school education growth is tremendous. 0 score il ninnu thodangi ipo 90 aanu avarude score. They have reached level 2. ഇനി നമ്മുടെ കേരളത്തിന്റെ സ്റ്റാറ്റസ് നോക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ the range is around 581 to 640. There are 6 other states in the same range. ഒരു better position ആണ്. But then with our resources, we have potential to improve much more better. So this is PGI for you. We'll meet again in the next session. Thank you.